Hi Connor, I am going to be doing your Tetris theme today and I'm so excited to get started and get this learned. I think it's going to be awesome. I really do. I think this song is going to, excuse me, just be an amazing piece. So let's do this. I'm going to switch over to the overhead camera and I'm going to do the right hand first and then I'm going to switch over to the left hand. Okay, let me start there. So let me switch over here. Okay, I'm just getting everything set up. Now, I'm going to start you off with just playing this individually and kind of walking you through it. Then I'll walk you through the left and then we'll play it all the way through together. You know this first part, and so I'll just kind of smoothly guide you into the next part. Lift, stretch, pinch, 2, repeat, lunge, stretch, pinch, 2. Okay, now this is the hardest part right here where you just start with 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1. 2 goes over to this black key. You'll see a little symbol that looks like a hashtag on measure 20. 2. Then you're going to tuck under and go 1. Let me show you that again. So from A position, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, tuck. Then you're going to pinch out these 3 fingers and go right back onto E. E, C, D, B, tuck, onto C just like your scale. Pull it over, stretch your 2 to E, 5, 5, 4, 2, 3, off. Then you reset and go back to A position. Lift. Okay, back to page 1 with the left hand, starting in E position. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Black key. 2, 2, lift, and then go to 4 on A, and you got to do this quick. So after you do the 3, 5, 2, launch and go to 4 on A and go 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. So it's like a big, like a running of the notes. 4, 3, 2, 1, right in a row, playing the notes. Okay, let's try from that 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, stretch to E, then play your 4 right where it is. Don't move this hand yet. Then that pulls your thumb back down. Okay? Then you're going to lift and go back and reset back to E position. Bum, bum, bum. the hardest part right here. 1 and 4, you kind of throw a peace sign, keep your hand right in position. Then you angle your hand a little and play your 5 on the middle of the 3 black keys while you play your thumb on the E key. Go back to 1 and 5 here in A position. 1 and 4, 1, 5 and 1, hold it. 5 and 1 on the black key, hold it. 5 and 1, da da. 4 and 1. Lift and then go back. Da, 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 da. I added that low note for fun. It's not written in the music. Okay, you ready for hands together? Here we go. You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white keys in between your thumbs. Whoops. There you have it. Now, just like I told your brother, this does not have to be learned overnight. This is not like, hey, now that I have this video, I can learn this before I see Miss Meg next week. This is like, this video is to be used until like the song is learned. So however long that takes, there's no time frame. Each individual is completely different. I think my camera decided to track me now. Yeah, I think it is starting to track me now. All right, well, I think that's it. We did your lesson books and your songs. So I hope you have a really wonderful week, and I'm so excited to get back together and go over your songs and all of your things that you've learned, your materials that you've learned this week. And tell your mom I said hi. Okay, bye-bye. See you later.